How to change password on Tubi TV. If you have forgotten your password on Tubi TV and you'd like to change it, here's how to do it. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser or the Tubi TV app. After opening your web browser, go to the website tubitv.com. Go to the search bar on the top and type in Tubi TV. Now click on the first link that appears. Here I'm already signed in, so I'm just gonna sign out from my account. After signing in, you will land to an interface like this. At the top, you will see two options, register and sign in. Click on the option sign in. After you do that, you will land to the sign in page. If you have logged in to your Google account on your web browser, you can simply tap on continue with Google. If not, then you will also see a forgot password option at the bottom. Click on that. Now provide your email and they will send you reset instructions. You can also sign in to Tubi TV without your password. You will need to type in your email first. After that, randomly type in your password and click on sign in. Now at the top, you will see an option like this. Click on sign in without a password. You will receive a link on your email. By clicking that, you can log in to your account. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.